What are the conditions upon a person who needs to do the sacrifice? Is it upon every Muslim? Is it upon every child? Is it upon every individual Muslims amongst the Ummah? No. Number one, person should be a Muslim and not a Kafir. Why? Because the ibadat, the worship, will not benefit the person until and unless the person believes in the tenets of Islam, believes in Allah, His prophets, His kitab, His books, the day of judgment, the qadr, and so on and so forth. Unless the person will not benefit from this ibadah. So, number one, he's a Muslim. Number two, he should be baligh. Baligh, yani he should be matured. How? In a sexual way. And a person should be matured. Number three is al-aql. The person should not be a majnoon. And number four, the person should have money to do that. That's the reason, ikhwan. The ulama who say that is sunnatun mu'akkada, they also say with emphasis, if a person has the money to do sacrifice and does not do, is sinful. In which we get a riwayah, from the kitab, from the kutub as-sunan, that the Sahaba radiallahu anhum narrates from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But even the scholars have differed whether this hadith is the words of the Prophet or whether it's a marfu, yani it's the words of the Sahaba is narrating from the Prophet, in which the hadith says that the people who, in spite of having the ability to do sacrifice, should not participate with us on Yawm al-Eid. Yani it's such a shadid and such a stern ruling that the Prophet ﷺ is saying, for those people who have the ability to sacrifice on the Yawm al-Eid and still does not do it, should not participate with us on Eid al-Adha or even during the Salatul Eid, and should not participate with us even in the ground of Eid, yani the Musalla of Eid. That's the reason if a person has money, should definitely do it.